As sneaker culture grows, brand designs have innovated to stay ahead of the competition. There can be up to 360 processes in manufacturing of sneakers, from cutting and sewing to injection molding. On average, a factory can produce up to 35,000 pairs of sneakers a week. That means one pair every 20 seconds. This is in aid of meeting consumer demands for the newest trends, as sneakers are more than just objects that protect the feet, but they can be seen as a symbol of status, identity, and subculture. There are some consequences of the industry, one being the amount of waste produced due to post-consumer disposal. As the world modernizes and adjusts to fostering more sustainable practices into their companies because of the climate crisis, footwear is inclined to progress too. To do this, solution of circular economy needs to be considered. This could be in the form of 3D repair system. This would mean that footwear companies and cobblers can repair sneakers on demand. Using this service allows a customer to customize their repairs on their sneakers. Consumers might also be able to print repair parts at home using a DIY kit. The benefits of this is that customization and having the customer be involved in the making of the repair gives the sneaker an emotional value, which can encourage attachment and reduce waste.